Alright, we're back in the shop. We're gonna go over the car, nut and bolt the car front to rear. It's the first full night on it, so I'm sure I'm bound to find a few loose bolts here and there, so we're gonna check it out, do a little body work. Trying to decide if I can straighten that out and patch it up. We got a new wrap coming, kind of ordeal, but that's not anything. That's not nothing. A little bit of body braces. So, I don't know. I'm gonna try to straighten it out, patch it up. If the wrap don't get here by Saturday when we go back and race again, then I'm just gonna put it on the car. No sense of taking a chance tearing up 2 quarter panels before the wrap gets here. But I don't know. If it don't make it, it's probably getting put back in the car. But if the wrap does make it, it'll get a new quarter panel. That way we can get the wrap on it. So here we go. Got the quarter panel back on it. Good as new, kinda. 100 mile an hour, you never know. Oh, you can see it in the light though. Well, it's hanging on, that's all that matters. Hopefully that wrap will get here. We'll see. I'm done for the day. I'm about to go inside, hang out with the kids a little bit. They're probably about to wake up from their nap. So we'll get out here another day this week. Sometimes this right here can be your best friend. I'll show you what I'm talking about. So not me, but on my dad's car, 99% of cars have chains on the left rear. So this chain right here got hung up on my dad's. See this bolt right here for that clamp? His is turned up and one of these chains hooked on the end of that bolt and hung it up. So severely loosening up that car. So we about to wrap this thing in electrical tape just to be sure that we don't have that same issue. Here we go. Well, we made it.
We did.
We at the races again. We got us some tires. We'll see how long they last. Car's ready. You ready? For the night? I heard that. Car's ready. Got quite a few cars in the pits. Still pretty early. Bunch of pure stocks. At $3 grand to win tonight. We'll go check out the track in a minute. Oh goodness, it's wet.
Now you ain't gonna be able to get up here. No, it needs water on the high. We're
gonna find out here in a minute. Well, yeah. First night, we're gonna find out. We're gonna find out. It's possible. So I forgot to record hot laps. My fault. Didn't have everything set up ready. But hot laps went good. We're about to watch some qualifying for the pure stock, factory stock class. And we got new tires bolted on the car, so here we go. We got the world famous Skylar Fleming in here.
Bro, this is insane.
It's a little different, ain't it?
This is not a stinger or bang banger right here. This is the real deal.
Yeah.
All right, so for all of you BBB, Ronnie Roberts guys, here's the deal. When Ronnie gets to 1,000 subscribers, 1,000 subscribers, so make sure y'all subscribe, we're gonna swap rides, and Ronnie's gonna get my stinger and I'm gonna get this, and we're gonna see who can go faster.
I'm sure you can go faster, but we'll definitely do it.
I gotta drive one of these one day, even if it's in the pit. So y'all make sure to subscribe so we can get that happen.
It'll happen.
We'll do a collaboration.
There we go.
Racing with BB&B, and we'll go out and see who can run the fastest lap.
There we go.
I gotta be able to run a certain lap in this. You set the lap time, and you gotta be able to run a certain lap in mine, and I set the lap time.
Deal.
And if you do it, we'll come up with something.
We'll figure it out when we get there.
This is incredible, dude.
Yeah. Now let's see you climb your way out of it if you can handle it.
Video that?
Oh yeah.
So you didn't video me getting in.
No, I'm gonna get it now.
So hook it up, take off. Where do you even grab them?
Wherever you want
I
to.
want to break this.
You ain't gonna break it.
I know a good body guy though. Son.
You gotta start stretching.
And you're like what, 6'5", and I'm like 5'9". Woo, that'll get you in the rear end.
Hey, oh yeah, I can fold up pretty good.
Woo. Yeah, Ronnie's definitely gonna get mine a lot faster than I can.
Oh yeah.
That's awesome. Y'all get some merch too.
Appreciate it. Here's old TJ Pratt, one of the RC cars. Qualifying run. That was pretty fun. They said I jumped the start, but I don't think I did. I must have missed that part of the pit meeting.
Who's in that 3.8 car? No comment?
I'm gonna be nice and just say a person that's been racing a long time that should know a lot better than what he does half the time.
Woo! I ain't got no comment.
All right, won the heat race, jumped the start, got put back in row, still managed to pull it off. Hopefully we do it again here in the future. About to get in the car, get on out there. We had a right rear wheel loose, messed the wheel up, had knocked lug nuts out, get some new ones in it, but they're calling for us now. Let's get in here. From the feature, we picked it up. What you think?
Hook line.
It was a little hooked up. Old pulpwood truck motor did all right. Yeah, but we doing good. Not a scratch on it. Thank you, Jesus. That's a dang near a win by itself. Really good. Now, really want to thank my Mercury and the engine builder, my dad, Ronnie, Big Ronnie, for the old pulpwood truck motor. This thing, it pulls hard. So I knew it could do it, we just had to do it. We'll see, we're gonna watch some more racing. I'm glad we got the first win out the way pretty quick. So, what do you think?
We're gonna do it again.
A couple more weeks.
Couple more weeks.
That's right. I appreciate the help.
Oh,
big time.
It's fun. I enjoy it.
Oh yeah.
I'm glad you helped.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Also, big thanks to the man over here with 56. They helped us out with some parts and some lug nuts, or lugs, we had to replace on the right rear. It's raining, huh? Hey, it just started pouring. It's Sunday morning. We got the car unloaded. Got it sitting in the rain, try to rinse some of the dirt off of it. It's supposed to stop raining about noon, maybe 1 o'clock. We'll get out here and get it cleaned up good. But had a good night last night. I picked up the win. Unfortunately, we didn't have very many cars. Only had 4, but the 4 that were there were pretty good ones. So, you know, still had to work for it a little bit. So, appreciate Triple B, Woolmarket Pharmacy, Edco Welding. Got a little tire mark on Edco there. Had to get that fixed. Black Flag shock service, and then Restoration 1. They come on board this year and really helping us out. We should have the wrap next week. We finally got the proof on it, so it should be here. Car's gonna look really good. A little different what we normally do, but y'all go check out Restoration 1. Water, fire, smoke, and mold. If you have any issues with your home, water damage, fire damage, smoke, mold damage, they can help you all out. 228-220-1394. So, you ready to go inside? We're gonna run. Yeah, you're wet? Yeah, we're about to make a break for it back to the house. We'll get it cleaned up later, huh? Yep. So let's go. Let's go. Like, subscribe, comment. We appreciate it.